What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is super exciting because we will be installing the bank's intercooler today. So if you guys want to see that, just go ahead and keep on watching. So I bought this tripod to take photos, but I don't ever use it. So we're gonna put it to use today. I'm a little too tall for it, but let's go ahead and open up this intercooler to see what we are working with. So first things first is we are going to take the cover off because it'd be really hard to work with that on. You couldn't actually. This is probably the wrong tool, but I'm on my own today, so you get what you get. Grill unbolted. These are just zip ties, so I'm just gonna cut those. Hopefully they're just, well, because I just cut them.
No, you just wiggle it out. It should slide out. Just take the clamp, take the boot off the tube.
The four.
Oh, it's in there, actually. It was just that dirty. Keep going. Hold on, try and pull it out with your fingers. Yep.
I broke it.
Keep going.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. Ow.
So just a couple of things that I didn't mention while we were doing it. So right here in this little battery tray, we did have to just trim a little piece off of it. I'm sure it's probably still laying under the ground. Yep, here it is. So all we did was just cut this little piece off the battery tray to get this pipe to just sit in there. You can see it was kind of in the way right there. No biggie, only took a couple of minutes to do that. This broke the bolt. We have a new one coming. I'll update you guys on that. Once we get that done, it should be good to go. Other than that, the process was pretty simple. When I started, I did say I was doing it on my own, but I did need some help. I did have some issues just with some small stuff, but that's okay because I'm learning. And when I was starting this, I sat in the garage for about an hour and a half, which might sound ridiculous to a lot of people. For an hour and a half reading the manual that they send, and honestly, even though Ryan did help me, I still learned, and as he taught me, I already had some background knowledge from the manual. It's just really fun to learn different things, because if you asked me 2 years ago what I'd be studying or where I'd be, I would have told you I was in college and studying nursing still. So my point in that, it was just funny. 2 years ago, I would have never guessed that I'd be sitting in this garage studying the Banks intercooler manual. But anyway, guys, super simple process. It is linked in my description down below, so you can find it there. So I'm currently standing in front of my wheels, and what's that? Rock on. So I'm currently standing in front of my wheels and a really, really big piece to the 6.0 that we picked up a couple days ago. That was random and a spur of the moment thing. So some super, super exciting stuff to look forward to. All right, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on the little bell so you're notified every single time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video with some very exciting stuff. Bye, guys.